then we can solve one by one. We can start with MCQ, okay? Then we can go for the 2, 3 and 4 mark questions. So write down I took a random papers and from that only we are solving the questions, okay? So here they are asking, first question is that the decimal form of rational number. The question is that the decimal form of rational number is 13 by 20. Okay, the number, I will read out. The decimal form of rational number 13 by 20 is, 13 by 20 is, and they gave options here. First option is 0.655, B 0.560, C 0.620, D 0.650. Okay, so these are the numbers given, and we have the number is given, that is 13.20. okay, and we have to convert this into a rational number. So how can we solve this? Okay, so whenever this kind of questions will come, so no need to do the division and all, so you can make the denominator 100. Okay, so automatically you are getting the number, decimal number. So here 13, and if I multiply here by 5, then 25s are 100. Okay, the same number you have to multiply in the numerator. So 13 5s are 65 by 100. That is answer is 0.65. Okay, so 0.65, the option D, and here you can append 10. That's it. So this is the answer. Okay, so whenever this kind of number will come, so they are asking us to convert this into the rational number, the decimal form. The given rational number is there, we have to convert into decimal form. So try to make the denominator 100. Okay, if it is not, we are not able to make, then you can go for division. Otherwise you can make 100 and multiply the same number which you divided here in the numerator, denominator. Same thing you can multiply in the numerator and calculate the answer. Okay, so this option D is the correct option. Okay, everyone copied this. So we can go for the next question. So next is express 0.777 and so on in the form of P by Q. Okay, those who are able to do, no need to wait for me, they can solve by their own. Here that express 0.777 and so on in the form of P by Q. Options are given: 7 by 9, 2 7 by 8, 3 9 by 7, and last option is given 8 by 9. So here after decimal number only digit 7 is there, and that 7 is what repeating here. Okay, so here you can assume x as 0.777 and so on. If I multiply by 10x here to this equation number 1, then this will become 7.777. Okay, so this is equation number 2. So now if you subtract 10x minus x, that is 7.77 minus 0.77 and so on. So we can get 7.000. This is nothing but 9x. So x is equal to, we can write 7 by 9. So is the answer there? 7 by 9. Option 1 is the correct option. Can you getting this? Can you all getting how we are doing? Okay, we can go for the next question. I hope everyone copied or took a screenshot. So now next is the total surface area of the sphere with radius 7 centimeter is. Okay, the total surface area of the sphere with radius 7 centimeter is. Okay, so how to calculate this? देखो हम here total surface of the sphere we have to calculate. Okay, so sphere is nothing but what is the TSA of the surface area of the sphere is nothing but TSA of a sphere is nothing but 4 pi r square, and here r is given 7 centimeter. Radius of the sphere is given, and options are given here. 616 centimeter square, then B option 626 centimeter square, C 516 centimeter square, D we have 416 centimeter square. The surface area formula we know that, radius we know that, calculate 4 pi r square. 4 pi is 22 by 7 because doesn't mention the value for pi, then we can take 22 by 7, and r is 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled into 22, so 22 into 8. 616. Option A is the correct option. Okay, option A is the correct option. Copy this one. Okay, then write down the next. The CSA of a cone, write down the CSA of the cone with radius r and height h, small h, and slant height is L. Slant height L is given by okay, the CSA of the cone of the radius r and height h and slant height L is given by, your options are given, first pi r square, and second is pi r h, third option is pi r l, and fourth option that is 2 pi r l. So if we take the cone, and cone is having CSA, that is pi r l. So here option, according to this, option C is the correct option. Okay, no need of solving this question. So CSA of the cone, they ask it in the form of variable, radius is r and slant height L. They gave here as usual meanings. Okay, so here option C is the correct option. Now write down the next question. Which of the following is a zero of the polynomial? Okay, write down. Which of the following is a zero of the polynomial? Which of the following is a zero of the polynomial? X raised to 4 plus x raised to 2 minus 8x plus 6. Okay, this is the question, and options are given. Option A is 1, B is 0, C is 2, and D is minus 1. Okay, so by observing this question, factor of 0 means after keeping the values, the entire answer should come 0. Okay, so 0 is what? The skipped. because if we keep 0, this part will become 0, 6 will remain. So use logic. So B is discarded. So what are the things remain? 1, 2 and minus 1. If you take 2 also, you will not get the answer. You can solve and check. Okay, and if we take minus or 1, there is high chances to get the factor 0. So first what I will do, I take 1 only. 1 raised to 4 plus 1 raised to 2, 8 into 1 plus 6. So here 1 plus 1 minus 8 plus 6. 8 and this is 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 8 is nothing but minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. That means A is the correct option. Okay, because here if we take minus 1, then minus 1 and this one will become minus 1 and this minus will become plus. Okay, so we will not get the answer. So option A is the correct option. The equation is having factor means that by putting that value in the equation, answer should get 0. Then only we can say that that number is a factor of the given equation. Getting this? Copy this. Okay. Everyone copied this. Write down the next question. Which of the following identity can be applied for evaluating 203 into 205? Which of the following identity can be applied for evaluating 203 into 205? Okay, so here they gave this number and they are asking which identity we can use. So that identity they gave in the as the options. Okay, so I will write down first the given question. Okay, so here they are saying it's 203 into 205 and options are given first x plus a, x minus a, b we can take a square b minus b square, c x plus a, x plus b, and last option is a minus b square. Okay, so we can write this as 200 plus 3 and 200 plus 5. Okay, so we can write it like this, and this is x plus a and this is x plus b. Okay, and this identity is nothing but what? X square plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay, so here option C is the correct option over here. Okay. Can you getting this kind of questions? Now write down next question. If triangle ABC is congruent, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ, then which of the following is incorrect? Which of the following is incorrect? Okay, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ, then which of the following is incorrect? Okay, so I will write down the option and then we'll go to find out the answer. Okay, here first option is given, that is AB is equal to XY, first option. Second option, angle A is equal to angle Y. C, BC is equal to YZ, and D, angle C is equal to angle Z. And they are saying triangle ABC is congruent with XYZ. Okay, so if they are asking which is incorrect, okay, to find out this, at least try to draw the diagram. Only triangles only we have to draw. Here both are similar, so here ABC, same sequence I am writing here XYZ. If they are congruent, then their angles, all the angles are congruent by CPCT. All the sides are also congruent by CPCT. Okay. So first they are saying this AB is equal to XY. This is correct. Okay. Then angle A is equal to angle Y. This is not correct. Correct. This A is similar with X, not this. Now BC is equal to YZ. That is also correct. Then angle C and angle Z are also correct. Okay, but which is not correct? Option B, which is not correct. Okay, so A and Z are not equal over here. Can you get it? So very simple questions are there. We have to attempt it properly. Okay, copy this. Okay, now write down next question. Lines which are parallel to the given line. Lines which are parallel to the given line are lines which are parallel to the given lines are, write down first option, parallel to each other, parallel to each other. Second, perpendicular to each other. Third, coincident lines and collinear lines. Which of the following, which lines which are parallel? I'll repeat this. I'll repeat. The lines which are parallel to the given line are A, parallel to each other, B, perpendicular to each other, and coincident lines and collinear lines. If the lines are parallel to the given line, then they are parallel with each other. That's it, very simple. So option A is the correct option over here. Option A is the correct option over here. Now write down the next question. Everyone tick mark the option A. Everyone can tick mark the option A. Now next one, write down, in a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, first option, write down, diagonal bisect each other, diagonal bisect each other. B, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. First I will read out diagonals bisect with each other. Then the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. C diagonals are equal length. C diagonals are equal in length. D diagonals are angle bisector. Diagonals are angle bisector. So which statement is correct for a parallelogram? Does anyone have an idea? What is the answer of this? Yes, can anyone know? In parallelogram, they bisect what? The diagonal bisect each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are equal length and diagonals are equal bisectors. So which option is correct? Here option A is the correct option. They bisect each other. They bisect the diagonals, bisect each other. Okay, this is the answer. So write down next question. In ABCD parallelogram, write down the next question. In ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is equal to 40 degree. Oh, not 40, 70 degree. Angle A is equal to 70 degree. Calculate angle C. Calculate angle C. Okay, so here diagram is given. Here diagram is given. The given is a parallelogram. Okay, and here the angle ABCD. Angle A is 70. They are asking what is the value for C. Correct? And the options are given 110, B 80, 60 and 70 degrees. This is C and this is D. Okay, which one is the correct? We have to find out. Okay, so here this is a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram opposite angles are what? Same. Okay, they are equal. Don't write their sum is 180, not required here. Okay, in parallelogram opposite angles are same. So here angle C is also what? 70. So option B is the correct option. Okay, use the properties of the parallelogram. In parallelogram opposite angles are same. Okay, copy this. Okay, write down next one. Let ABCD a parallelogram. Let ABCD be a parallelogram. Full stop. The diagonals bisect. The diagonals bisect at E. Diagonal bisect at E if DE is equal to 5 centimeter. If DE is equal to 5 centimeter and AE is equal to 7 centimeter. AE is equal to 7 centimeter. Then find AC. Then find AC. Okay. So here diagram and options are given. ABCD, and these are the diagonals. They are intersecting at point E. So first is 10, B is 14, C is 5, then this is D 7 centimeter. Okay, so here ABCD is a parallelogram and they are saying DE is a 5 and AE is a 7. Then they are asking the value for AC. So AC is nothing but what? Twice of AE, because diagonals of the parallelogram are bisecting with each other. So they can divide into two equal parts. Okay. So 2 into 7 is equal to how much? 14 centimeter. So option D is the correct option. Okay. You should know the properties, then only you can able to solve this kind of questions. Okay. Copy this properly. Copy this. Okay, write down next one. If two chords AB and CD, if two chords AB and CD are equidistant from the center, if two chords AB and CD are equidistant from the center, then they are asking center, then option 1 is given. AB is greater than CD. Second, AB is equal to CD. Third is AB parallel to CD. And fourth, AB is less than CD. Okay, so these are the options given, and they are saying two equal chords, means AB and CD are the equal chords of the circle, and then they are saying of equidistance from the center, then the chords are what? Okay, is they equal or what? We did this theorem now. Okay, so here what you will get the answer? We did this theorem. Okay, so here what we did now. So suppose here if we have the circle and this is center, and these both are the chords, and if they are equidistant from this center of the circle, that means that chords are also what? Equal in length. Okay, so here you will get AB is equal to CD. Okay, see the question style, how they are asking this. Okay, instead of asking 3-mark theorem or anything, then they are asking 1 mark like this. Okay, copy this one. Here option B is the correct option. Write down next one. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which angle A is 120 degree. Then find the angle C. Okay, this is the circle given. Okay, this is A, B, C and D. This is 120, then they are asking this. Okay, so we know that in cyclic quadrilateral opposite angle sum is 180 degree. Okay, so here we can write 120 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. So option is also there, 60. Yes. Here according to this option, C is the correct answer, that is 60. Okay, copy this. So here the concept is what? The quadrilateral opposite side opposite angle sum is 180 degree. Okay. Now we have one question based on theory. Write down this question. The line drawn through a center, a line drawn through the center, a line drawn to the center of a circle to bisect a chord is first option parallel to the chord, second option perpendicular to the chord, C also a chord, D diameter of the circle, D is diameter of the circle, D is diameter of the circle. Okay, I will read out the question here. The line drawn through the center of the circle to bisect the chord is first parallel to the chord, perpendicular to the chord, also chord, and last is diameter of the chord. Okay. Okay, how can we solve this? Okay, so here draw the diagram. Whenever if we have any confusion or if we are not clear, then always go for the diagram. Okay, they are saying one line is there, okay, which is passing through the center of the circle, and suppose here any chord is there, it divides into two equal parts. Okay, that means it is perpendicular to that chord. So according to this option, here option perpendicular to the chord. Okay, so for this, according to our option here, it is option B, that is perpendicular to the chord. So it bisects that smaller chord if the line is passing to the center, that is nothing but its diameter. Okay, so here option B, perpendicular to the chord. Now next question I will read out, you can listen because just now we did this one question on this. Opposite angles of the parallelogram are first supplementary, B complementary, C equal in measures, D interior. Opposite angles, I will repeat, opposite angles of the parallelogram are supplementary, complementary, equal, or they are interior opposite angles. Okay, so just now we did one question, no, in parallelogram opposite angles are equal, so here option is C. Can you get it? The option is what? C here. Now write down the next question. So these small questions are very important. Write down, find angle SOP. Okay, find angle SOP. Find the angle SOP if angle SOP is equal to angle ROS, and here given figure is that okay, so here I will give the naming also, POQ and RSP, RS and P. Okay, if angle SOP is equal to angle ROS, then they are asking us to find out angle SOP. S, O and P. This angle we have to find out. So here ROQ, this is 90, no? Then this entire angle is also 90. And if I take this as a X, okay, then this is how much? X minus 90. So I am interested in SOP. So how to calculate this? How can you calculate? And they are saying SOP is equal to ROS. Okay. So these two are also equal. If this is X, then this is also X. Okay. So can I write here angle ROP is nothing but 90 because we have QOR is also 90. So this is what the common arm. So this form a linear pair. Okay. So here we can write this entire angle is also 90. So I can write x plus x is equal to 90. So 2x is equal to 90. X is equal to 45. Okay. So angle angle SOP is nothing but 45 degrees. Okay. Getting how to solve? Getting this? Copy this. Understood? So now next question. Next question. Here if x and 3x minus 20, if x and 3x minus 20 are pair of vertically opposite angles, then find the value of x. X and 3x minus 20 are vertically opposite angles. We know that vertically opposite angles are same, no? Correct? So here, suppose these are intersecting lines and this is x, and another angle is also given how much? 3x minus 20. 3x minus 20, and vertically opposite angles are same. X is equal to 3x minus 20. So 20 I will transpose here, and x you can transpose to that side. So this is 2x is equal to 20, x is equal to 10. Okay, so angle value for x is nothing but 10. Understood? Copy this sum. Some MCQs are very easy, some MCQ are tricky, and if you are clear with all basic concepts of math, then you can able to solve any questions. Okay, and always focus on MCQ. There we are getting out. If we know if our concepts are strong. Okay, finished. Then write down the next one. If in a linear pair, write down in linear pair, if one angle is 2, if one angle is equal to twice the other, one angle is equal to twice the other, find the smaller angle. In linear pair, one angle is equal to the twice of the other. Okay, find the smaller angle. Okay, options are given. I will not read out the options. So we will directly solve. Linear pair, that means one is here 2x and another is x. One angle is x, then double of that is 2x. And if they are in linear pair, then 2x plus x. Linear pair angle is 180. So 3x is equal to 180. So x is equal to how much? 180 by 3. So here 60 x we will get. So this angle we will get 60 and this angle we will get 120. The smaller is 60 degrees. That's it. Okay. And here according to this option D is the correct option. Getting? Okay, everyone copied this much and then write down. Okay. So next question is everyone knows the identity, I hope. Okay, so based on that only we have a question. So here we have 27 x plus y cube plus 8 2x minus y cube. Okay, so this is what the question and they are asking us to factorize this. Okay, so check which identity we can use here. Okay, which identity we can use now? Yes, anyone knows, can message. Yes, does anyone knows the formula? If you know the formula or the identity, then only you can able to solve. Okay, otherwise you can lose this. So now write down here identities, what all identities we are using. Okay, so here we have first one, that is x plus y. Okay, or this first is what, a plus b whole cube. Okay, we have here one, first is what, a plus b, or I will write in the x and y. First I am writing only identities. Use another pen. So here x plus y cube is nothing but what is the formula? We have here a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, or here I will make it a, this is b, plus 3b square a. Okay, and a minus b cube is nothing but what, a minus b cube is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, this is what the identities we have. So this is nothing but what, your identity. So use that identity and substitute. For writing correct identity, you will get half mark. Okay, so substitute here 27, a cube is nothing but x cube, y cube, 3 x square y plus 3y square into x plus 8, inside this bracket here again 2x cube, that is 8x cube minus y cube minus 3 2x square, that is 4x square plus 3 2x into y square. Now you can simplify this. So you can multiply this 27 inside this bracket. 27x cube plus 27y cube plus 3 27 3s are okay 81 x square y plus 81 y square x plus 64 x cube minus 8 y cube 12 96 60 x square y plus 6 into 3 to the 6 48 6 into 8, so x y square. Okay, we will get this. So now you can simplify or collect the like terms together. Okay, 27x cube plus 64 x cube plus 27 y cube minus 8 y cube, okay, plus 81 x square y minus 96 x square y plus 64 I took, no, 8 y cube also finished. Now 81 y square x plus 48 xy square, 48 xy square. Now only do addition and subtraction of the like terms. I already collected the like terms. Now here 27, okay, 27 plus we have 64, that is equal to 91 x cube plus 27 minus 8 is nothing but how much? Is a 19. So here 27 minus 8 is nothing but 19 y cube plus 81 minus 96. It is minus 15 plus 81 into plus 48 9 124 y square x. So this is what the factorization. Okay, if any values are here and there, check once. Okay, copy this. So people are solving in another way also. They are taking x plus y cube as a or x plus y as a and 2x minus y as a b. That method is correct. This method is also correct. Okay. Next question, factorize. Next question, factorize. the question is 3 2a minus b whole bracket square minus 7 2a minus b minus 28. Okay, so this is what the question. Here no need to expand. Okay, so I can able to see this is nothing but sticky middle term method. So what I will do here I will take 2a minus b is equal to x. So 3x square minus 17x minus 28. Okay, if I compare a is 3, b is a coefficient of my x, that is minus 17, and c is 28. So a into c, that is nothing but 3 into minus 28. So answer will come 28 3s are. Okay, 28 3s are how much? Check. 28 3s are, yes, 8 24 sorry 2 minus 84. Okay, so you can take a factors of minus 84 in such a way that their subtraction should come 17. Okay, so 84 means 21 yeah, 21 4s are, and I will take 21 as a minus and this as a plus. Minus 21 plus 4, that is equal to 3x square minus 21x plus 4x minus 28. So if I take here 3x common, so x minus 7 plus 4, if I take common, x minus, no, yeah, this I will get. So here x minus 7 I will take common, and 3x plus 4. So now you can substitute the value for x, that is 2a minus b minus 7 and 3 2a minus b minus 7 plus 4. That's it. This is what the factors. And still if you want to expand further, so here you can multiply this 3 inside this bracket. 6a minus 3b minus this plus 4. Okay, so minus 21 plus 4, you can check how much it is. It is 17, minus 17, so you can write here minus 17 is also okay. So this is what the factorization. So check the common is there, then you can reduce or take a factors in this way also. This is also correct method. Okay. So write down one more question. So we have to find out the value for a and b. Root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. We have this value. So we have to calculate the answer for this. Okay. So whenever this kind of questions will come, you always go for the rationalization first. Okay. So you can do rationalization only this part. So I will write here LHS and I will write root 3 minus root 2. So here root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. So here root 3 plus root 2 whole bracket square, and here a minus b, a plus b, that is root 3 square minus root 2 square. Expand this by a plus b. Don't write root 3 square and root 2 square. No. We have to expand with a plus b whole bracket square with that identity. Here also we use a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so here root 3 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 divided by, we can write here 3, root 3 square is 3 and root 2 square is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So no need to write here anything in the denominator. So this is 3 plus 2 root 6. So this is 5 plus 2 root 6. And that is compared with what? A plus b root 6. So here you will get, after comparing, a is 5 and here b is nothing but 2. Getting this? Because if we are taking root 6 and here root 6, so both are get cancelled and I am getting answer B as a 2. Can you getting this? Okay. Copy this everyone. Okay. There is one more question which is given for 3 marks that I will solve first. Okay. So they are asking factorize. Each question is for 1.5 mark. So I will write the question and then we can solve this. So here we have 12x square minus 7x plus 1, and we have here 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Okay, so here you can, yesterday only I told you, ax square plus bx plus c is a standard equation. A is 12, b is 7 minus 7 and c is equal to 1. So a into c, 12 into c is nothing but 12, and divide 12 in such a way that their answer should come minus 7. So here 3 4s are with minus sign. So minus 4 minus 3 is nothing but minus 7. So here 12x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. So you can take here 4 common, 4x, not 4x, 3 we have to take common, 3x. So 4x minus 1, and here if you take the minus sign out, then 4x minus 1 will remain. Okay, so 4x minus 1, inside this bracket 3x, here nothing is there, that means minus 1. So these are the factors for this. Getting? And now here if we take a is 2, b is 7, c is 3, a into c, that is 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. 6 ones are 6 because it is 7. Okay, so we can write 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. So here you can take 2x common, x plus 3, and here this entire bracket will remain x plus 3. So you can take x plus 3 out, and here 2x and here plus 1. Okay, so this is what your answer. So these are the factors over here. So these questions are very very important. Okay, everyone can copy or take a screenshot. So you can write down one question for homework. Find the surface area of the sphere. Find the surface area of the sphere if its radius is 10.5 centimeter. Second, r is equal to 5.6 centimeter, and last is 14 centimeter. If these are the radius, then calculate the area, calculate the surface area of the sphere. Okay. Everyone copied? Then write down two more questions. So write down two more questions. Write the expanded form 2x plus 1 cube. Second one 2a minus 3b whole bracket cube. Third one 3 by 2x plus 1 cube. 4x minus 2 by 3y whole bracket cube. Okay, one more question. Fifth one, factorize 4x square 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Then 2x square y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Okay. So write down these problems for the homework. Everyone can copy this homework. Okay. So I will stop today. If you have any doubt, you can just message me. Okay. So thank you for joining.